Hello my lovely viewers and subscribers, welcome to Fab FM Nation Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you a science practical on how a DC motor works. So before we start, let's look at this diagram that I'm going to show now. Okay. The key components of a DC motor is a stator and an armature. An armature is also known as a rotor. The stator is the stationary part of a motor while the armature rotates, and the stator provides a rotating magnetic field that drives the armature to rotate. Note that a DC motor contains coil windings that are powered by the DC current, and the stator contains either permanent magnet or electromagnetic windings. And with those components that I've showed earlier, a DC motor takes electrical power through direct current and convert this energy into mechanical rotation. If you look around your house, you're going to see some devices that makes use of DC motor. Example are your table fan, your brushes, your cutting knife, and some other device. Subscribe to this channel below and ring the notification bell next to it